Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making delicious cherries and cream cupcakes. It's going to have the perfect light fluffy cupcake. It's going to have glazed cherries filled in, nice light smooth vanilla buttercream swirled on top with a nice cherry glaze to complement it, garnish it, pull it all together. Just a delicious all around yummy cherries and cream cupcake. It's so good. I could talk about them all day, so I'm gonna go ahead, be quiet. I'll throw a link to the recipe down below. Also down there, don't forget the KitchenAid stand mixer giveaway, and be sure to click that, get in on the action. I'll give some more information at the end of the video, so be sure to stay tuned. But let's go ahead, dive right into these delicious cupcakes. So go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and I'm gonna stop rambling, too much coffee. Let's go ahead and just start baking. So our first step is going to be to go ahead and combine all of our dry ingredients. So grab a mixing bowl, and to that we're going to start by adding in our flour, our baking powder, baking soda, and our salt. Then we're going to go in and give that all a quick little whisk. Now let's go ahead, scoot that over to the side, grab another mixing bowl for our wet ingredients. And we're going to start by adding in our sugar. I know, I said wet ingredients, but they're going to be making their way in there next. And we're going to start that off by adding in our eggs. Then we're going to grab our hand mixer and beat the sugar and the eggs until they're both combined, light, pale, and fluffy. So fluffy. Now that we have our eggs and sugar all combined, nice and light and fluffy, we're going to follow that by adding in our butter and our vanilla. Then back in with our hand mixer on a medium speed to really cream that butter into the eggs and the vanilla. And once you have your butter and your vanilla fully creamed into the eggs and the sugar, let's go ahead, grab those dry ingredients and add them right into our wet mixture. And on a low speed this time with our hand mixer, we're going to slowly work in our dry flour mixture into our wet mixture. And once that flour is fully worked in, we're going to follow that by adding in our sour cream. And staying on that nice low speed with our hand mixer, let's go ahead and work that sour cream into our batter until it's nice and smooth. Go ahead and get our cupcake batter into our cupcake liners. And you want to fill each cupcake liner about 2/3 of the way full. And once your cupcake liners are all filled with this delicious cupcake batter, let's go ahead, place them in the, I almost said the microwave, but don't do that. We're gonna place them in the oven and let bake for 20 to 22 minutes or until a cake tester comes out clean. But you'll know when they're done. So our cupcakes have baked, they've cooled, they look so light and fluffy and delicious. Now I went ahead and cored out ahead of time. You can go ahead and use like an apple core or the back of a piping tip just to get a nice little well to hold our maybe one or two glazed cherries. We're gonna stuff them in there. It's so good, I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and do that. So we're gonna take, again, just one or two glazed cherries. If you don't wanna use glazed cherries, or you think, what's a glazed cherry? You can pretty much just use cherry pie filling. Might as well, 'tis the season. Might as well stock up on them. Might be doing some cherry pie later down the road, so grab a can or two. But let's go ahead and add in, again, just, one or two, maybe just one. Now using a star tip, we're gonna take some delicious, light, fluffy, smooth vanilla buttercream and pipe on a nice little swirl. I say little, but we're gonna go high a little bit. The higher the frosting, the more frosting. And once you decorate with your frosting, you will have your perfect, delicious, light and fluffy cherries and cream cupcakes that are oh so good and a nice, perfect way to finish out the summer season, because I'm gonna miss it, but I'm so ready for winter. Well, that's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you like today's video, helps me out, lets me know I'm sharing recipes that everybody wants to see, everybody wants to try, everybody likes. And while you're down there clicking the thumbs up, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Lots of recipes coming out. You want to be sure to be the first one to try them out and bake right along with me. And if you make your own delicious cherries and cream cupcakes, or if you make your own cupcakes, either way, give a tag on Instagram. Let me see what you're baking in your kitchen, and why not? They're cupcakes. Who doesn't love cupcakes? The world loves cupcakes. So go ahead and give a tag. Share them with everybody. Share them with me. And share this video because the summer's almost over, so everybody should make some cherries and cream cupcakes. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get going. Have a cupcake, have a cup of coffee, and enjoy the day. And I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.